Pearl color. A pearl color is described as the combination of the body color and the overtone. Body colors are separated into two categories, cool hues and warm hues. Cool hues range from reddish purple to yellowish green, while warm hues range from purplish red to greenish yellow. Pearl color can develop in many ways. Pearls come in a wide variety of colors, ranging from white all the way to black. Here again, as with many of the characteristics of pearls, the fact that the pearl is an organic gemstone formed within a living creature contributes to the myriad unique ways in pearl body color. The natural color of pearl results from a combination of several factors. The pearl's body color is its main color. This can be white, silver, cream color, gold, green, blue, or even black. The body color is determined by the type of oyster or mollusk that produce the pearl. Certain types of oyster generally produce pearls of certain color, as well as the condition of the water, and sometimes the type of nucleus which is implanted to stimulate the pearl's creation. Overtones in pearl color. Overtones are a translucent color which sometimes appear on top of the pearl's main body color. These overtones tend to alter the body color somewhat, as well as adding depth and glow. A pearl may be white with rose overtones, for example. Some pearls have no overtones at all. The term orient refers to the shimmering, iridescent color which appears to move and glitter when the pearl is turned. It is important to note that many pearls are artificially colored. The colors are artificially infused by a treatment known as dyeing, by subjecting the pearls to irradiation. These treated colors are typically easy to spot by a trained observer who might be down the drill hole looking for concentration of color, which indicates the presence of dye. The truth about pearl color and black pearls. One rule of thumb in spotting treated pearl is that if the pearls are not true Tahitian pearl from the black-billed oyster or Pinctada margarifera, they cannot naturally be black. Many unwary consumers buy black pearls only to find later that the natural color grading is false. Fresh waterfalls. In the 1930s, freshwater pearl from Japan's Lake Biwa introduced a wide variety of new colors to the market. which were previously unavailable in saltwater pearls. Today, Chinese freshwater pearl farmers have continued this trend with many fancy color pearls harvested in large numbers. Pearl luster. Pearl luster, or spelled luster, is the measurement of the quality and quantity of light that reflects from the surface and just under the surface of a pearl. The luster is the shine that gives pearls their beauty. Luster is essentially the reflective quality or brilliance of the surface of the pearl nutcracker. The more lustrous the pearl, the more it shines and reflects light and images. In general, saltwater pearls tend to have greater luster than freshwater pearls. High pearl luster comes from more nacre. High luster results at least in part from the amount of nacre deposited to form the pearl, which in turn is a function of how long the pearl has had to develop within the oyster. Pearls with a high luster have more nacre and are generally valued much more highly than pearls with a low luster or less nacre. Because they are not 100% nacre, cashew tend to be the most lustrous of all pearls, yet they are often less expensive than cultured pearls.